Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we're going to do the same question as 1-110, but we're going to reduce the gauge pressure to 170. You can watch that video for a full explanation. It's pretty much just a copy and paste, so we're just going to skip through the steps. So step 1, draw your free body diagram. Step 2, list all the given and the unknown. If you want a full explanation, you can watch that video. Step 3, find the formula for gauge pressure. So to do this, you go to your free body diagram and then you follow through for each fluid or liquid. Okay, and follow the convention. You add it when it goes down and you subtract it when it goes up. Step 4, rearrange for the gasoline gauge. Step 5, plug and play. So in this case, we just do the calculation again, but we just change the gauge pressure from 380 to 170 kPa. So we will get 153.18 kPa for the gauge of gasoline. Disclaimers: the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, you can use the Mac equivalent. If you haven't used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on snipping tool in your taskbar. If it's not there, go into your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open it. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag to cover the YouTube screen. So left click and drag the rectangle. This is just an example. Click the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Then hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square and snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.